This is Victor with Autolush, and today we're taking the Porsche to Porsche Palooza. We're filling her up right now before we head out. We're gonna see a bunch of Porsches today. This is my 2002 911. We're gonna have some fun driving in the canyons and everything and go see some other cars. Let's see what we can do today, guys. We're here at Porsche Palooza. About to go out to the canyons with all the Porsches here. There's my car right there. Check out all these beautiful cars, guys. We're gonna be able to go to the canyons all together and ride all together today. All different type of Porsches here. So got a bunch of stuff. Some nice older Porsches here as well. This turbo is crazy. Look at the red interior on here. We're here at the Porsche in Thousand Oaks, and we're gonna be heading out to the canyons, having a cruise today with all the Porsches. Such a great lineup, guys. Such a great lineup. Here's a 911 Carrera GTS, 911 Targa, Ford GTS, Targa 4S, 944 Carrera. It's beautiful. I don't know what it is, but I do love the old schools. Here's another 944. Here's a Turbo S. Here's mine, 996. Here's that GT3 RS right there. GT2 RS right here. 911 Turbo right here. The orange one, another Carrera. Then the yellow one goes crazy. And then we have another turbo out there, which is beautiful. What a great lineup. I can't wait to be driving with everybody today. So here we have it. So it's all about. This is the upstairs here of their dealership. I love their design that they put in here. This is a 996 Turbo. Beautiful. Check out the Recaro seats as well on here. Which actually just a driver's seat, but it's still beautiful. At the Doberman City by the Panamera. Another 996 just pulled up. Beautiful. It's not gutted like mine. It's a 4S. Clean. I love the color green, so we definitely had to shoot this Porsche. That green, it just goes crazy. Some more cars have shown up. Give you the cars that have shown up. We're about like 10 minutes from us leaving. darker green goes crazy. The bronze wheels. Another 911 that just came by. Got this other turbo that came in. And here we go with the drive. Let's get it. Oh, right here next to the beach. What a drive.
No, they're brand new.
What a beautiful view. And then we got a beautiful view with all the Porsches today. We were having so much fun ripping it. Let's go. We got this guy about to start rock climbing. Crazy. It's our first meeting point for today until we head out and go to our second stop. I thought it was so cool for this guy to start climbing, rock climbing this. Oh my goodness, check out this GT4 RS. This thing is crazy. Holy moly. Out of the RSs, what would be your favorite, guys? Comment down below. GT2 RS, GT3 RS, GT4 RS. We're at the last meetup spot today, guys. It was such a fun drive with everybody here. At the 944 here.